Hello guys, welcome back to All About App series from Cleverroot Studio. In this episode, we are going to discuss why America, one of the biggest technological leaders in the world, chooses Ukraine to source its projects to. IT sphere is the area where the United States is a step ahead of the rest of the countries, and the outsourcing question is still open. The Americans who choose Ukraine as an outsourcing destination make a sensible and wise decision. And here's why. Reason number one why world's leaders choose Ukraine, and that's not exaggeration. Such companies as Intel, Apple, Microsoft, Deutsche Bank, Nokia, Plarium, Playtika, Reuters, Wix, Bosch, eBay, IBM, and Dell outsource their projects to Ukrainian companies and hire our specialists on an ongoing basis. Ukrainians develop mobile and web products both for inside and outside the country. More than 75% of IT projects are outsourced to Ukraine from the US. It means that we are a competent and trustworthy partners to cooperate with. It also means that our specialists have the access to the latest developments, tools, and cutting-edge technologies, which help us create a number one IT solutions for the most demanding customers. Reason number two, we're creative. We're full of ideas, and hiring the Ukrainian specialists, you get not only an excellent vendor, but also a creative thinker full of ideas, and a person who can think out of the box. Lots and lots of successful and innovative startups supports this fact. For instance, Luxury. It's a platform that edits photos and videos in real time. The company was established by Viktor Shaburov in Ukraine and was eventually bought by Snapchat for $150 million for the further development. The other bright example of a successful startup established in Ukraine is Augmented Pixels project. It is a platform for developers to create cool virtual and augmented reality effects. This platform can be used to create interactive maps and even VR games. This startup was also successful that it moved to Silicon Valley. A Jack system is a Ukrainian project too. Its founder, Alexander Konotopsky, wanted to make smart homes affordable for everyone. The company works with the security systems and sensors for IoT devices. The products of the company are being sold in numerous countries, such as Singapore, Italy, Germany, Malaysia, Austria, and many others. Our next video is going to be about the user experience elements, which will help you to make your site trustworthy, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Reason number three. The Ukrainian government supports foreign customers. As far as IT services have become one of the biggest Ukrainian exports recently, Ukrainian government puts all efforts to protect both parties and assure everyone that quality and trustworthy mean a lot to us. The government of Ukraine has been working on several fronts and passes laws to protect Ukrainian specialists and foreign companies that employ them. Here, what they did. Ukrainian law claims that the tax law of the client prevails. It means that foreign entities ordering IT services do not need to pay Ukrainian VAT. As well as that, Ukraine has established an intellectual property court to deal with all issues in the burgeoning software development industry. Ukrainian law permits a foreign person or non-resident legal entity to found a local subsidiary in Ukraine, if it makes tragic sense. Reason number four. Strong technological background. Education has always been a strong side of Ukraine. We are proud of our universities and education quality. There are more than 400 educational institutions in Ukraine, most of which have IT-related programs. Every year, almost 40,000 highly qualified IT specialists graduate with certificates in technological disciplines in Ukraine. At the moment, there are about 90,000 software engineers in Ukraine. The number is increasing by 20% every year. In general, the total number of employees working in IT services is around 220,000 people, which is the largest number of staff employed in IT among Central European countries. Reason number five. Low service cost. We have already mentioned that Ukrainian government cares about IT specialists and reduces taxes for them. Now, IT specialists pay only 5% tax on their income. This fact allows to save up to 60% of expenses outsourcing to Ukraine. Moreover, various freelancer platforms like Odesk confirms that Ukrainian specialists have optimum ratio price-quality. It happens because the same development in the USA would cost 5 or even 10 times more expensive than the development in Ukraine with the same quality. The figures speak for themselves. The hourly rate of a Ukrainian engineer costs from $25 to $50, while American developer charges from $120 to $170. When you're choosing the place to create your own product, remember of the country that raised so many talented and outstanding people. Ukraine is an open country which constantly broadens its horizons to meet all the requirements and quality standards of the most demanding customers in the world. And if you are one of them, come to Ukraine to create a world-changing product with the world-class specialists. The full version of our article you will find right here in our blog. Don't forget to subscribe to it and be the first to get our fresh articles. This is it for today. See you next time. Take care of yourself. Bye.